Hey guys, we're back at it with another. What's going on here? What's happening?
What is this garbage? We can't use any of these clips.
Yeah, I mean, what the fuck is this?
Sorry guys, someone fucked with the gimbal settings.
What the fuck is this garbage?
I don't know, man. These clips are pretty useless.
Yeah, we can't really do anything with this.
Yeah, sorry guys. I don't know how this could have happened.
Maybe we'll just stretch this out as long as we can and toss it on YouTube.
Fuck, man. This whole thing doesn't make any sense. This is all garbage. Fucking the build, the fucking name for the build is Calibur, and it's not even themed to anything like that. It's a fucking RGB build, not like copper or anything like that. And it's Calibur's spelled wrong because it's the fucking fan's gamer tag, and it's just bullshit.
Yeah, you can just cut to the glam shots.
Oh, shit. This is not as easy as originally thought. Holy get off!
The struggle.
Why must you take the struggle, Case? This case has made struggles for me everywhere, though.
And should I stop?
Nah, yeah, might as well for now.